Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well and okay and keeping safe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Welcome to the family. We hope you're here to stick around, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and put your notification bell on so you'll be notified when I do upload. And if you're an old subscriber, like, welcome. We love you guys here, you know that already. And without any further ado, we're going to get into the video because I don't want to be talking too long. It's a makeup tutorial, so it's going to be long. I'm going here to hydrate my skin by using my Pixi Glow Mist, just to hydrate my skin and prep it before I put any foundation. And here I'm applying my Ordinary primer. Excuse my baby in the background, guys. So yeah, just go ahead and rub it all over your face, just to have a smooth base so that your foundation will glide very smoothly. So I'm using my all-time favorite, my Natural Radiant by NARS, and I've mixed it with Born This Way foundation. I'm using my Real Techniques buffing brush to blend in my foundation. As you can see, I am pressing it into my skin because this way it doesn't leave any lines and it just glides on very, very smoothly. So the key to a flawless base is just to blend. Yeah, so keep blending and bring it down to your neck as well. Don't forget about the neck because we don't want a light face and a dark neck when we take pictures. So yeah, make sure you blend. And I'm using my Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS in Armande. So I use this one first. This is a natural because this is, like, I think a shade lighter. So if you just want to go for the natural under eye look, then you can just stick with this shade. But if you want it to go for the really bright under eye, which I did go for, then as you will see, I would use a brighter concealer under my eye. But yeah, this concealer, it's very, very nice and creamy and so beautiful. So yeah, I'm just going to apply it under my eye, and I'll use my my beauty blender just to blend the concealer. So again, as you can see, I am just pressing it into my skin. Make sure you press it into your skin in the area that you want the concealer to stay. I'm using the same concealer but in a different shade. So this is in the shade Caramel. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it under my eye as I went for the bright under eye. So this is like 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. And I'm going to go ahead again and just apply it all over the areas that I want to conceal. But make sure you blend, and as it's very bright, you need to blend it very well just to avoid getting flashback when you do take pictures. My Mercier translucent powder in the shade Honey, just to set under my eyes. So this is the natural looking one, Honey, but I'm going to use it now, but then I'm going to use the lightest one just to go over my under eye and just to set, because I wanted to go for the very bright under eye. So you will see me using a different one again. Now that we've done the base and we're setting our face, we are going to move on to the eyes, and I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm going to use this chocolate brown as a transition color. I'm using my Mineralize base, Rimmel. I can't remember which shade exactly, but I'll put it down in the description bar. So I'm just using it just to up my crease and use it as an eyeshadow base. It's really, really good, and it makes the palette pop even more. And even on its own like that, it's so pretty. I just went ahead and added a little bit of gold glitter just to make the eyes more defined and just put up even more. So pretty. You can never go wrong with a golden smoky eye. Before we do the brows, I'm just gonna complete the under eye, and then we can move on to the brows. So I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow palette that I used earlier. So I'm just gonna use the brown again, just to smoke out under my eyes. Slightly pointed brush to get that, but make sure you shake off any excess shadow. We can now move on to the brows. Yes, so for the brows, as always, I'm gonna go with my precisely my brow by Benefit. It's actually my favorite to do my brows until I find something better, but for now it's the perfect brow pencil. So yeah, this one is finished. I go through them like nobody's business. So I'm gonna use this spoolie at the end just to brush up all my brow hair like this. This will help me to achieve that feathered, natural looking brows. I'm just into the feathered, but my brow hair are very tiny, so, but this helps me get that feathered look, like gives the illusion that I have more brow hair than I actually do. Which is good, you know, which is good, man. So I'm using shade 5. I use 4 or 5 depending. Just go ahead and add hair-like strokes. This way it makes the brows looking natural rather than shading it in. So I'm just adding. And where I have hair, it's just literally to fill in the gaps. So you're not really doing much to your brows. It's just really enhancing your natural brows. So that's what I'm trying to achieve here. To use the 24-hour brow setter, again by Benefit, to set my brows. So make sure to get a buffing brush, a big powder brush should I say, and then dust away all the excess powder on your face. Make sure you blend in everything really well. I'm using Hoola Toasted by Benefit to contour. It's a really nice bronzer, and it's the toasted is perfect for deeper skin tone. Hey Almira! Hello my. Hi Baba! I'm gonna be done and I'll be with you very soon. Yes! I'm using Touch Mahal by NARS. It's a very pretty burnt orange blusher. You just need a little bit and it just goes a long way. It's so pretty. And here I'm using my Revolution highlight palette, so I'm just using the two darker, not dark, but the golden shades, just to give myself a little bit of highlight on the high points of my cheekbones. Let me add a little bit of Born This Way highlighter. Turn up the light. This is really turn up the light. Because this right there, oh, just a little bit, baby. Just a little bit, baby. Just a little bit. You overdo it, you're gonna look like a... To line my lips, I'm using my MAC Chestnut lip liner. It's my favorite. Like, I use it every day. But I need to sharpen it and I can't find my sharpener. But we'll try and just use it without the sharpener. It's such a nice chocolatey brown. I think everyone has this anyways. If you don't, like, go and get it. And to add a little bit of concealer on my lips, just to brighten the lips, you know. So I'm using my Armande which kind of pronunciation is this? Armande by and then I'm using NYX cream butter gloss in Tiramisu. It's actually my first time using it. It's brand new, so we're gonna see how it looks on me together. I had so many good reviews about it. I do have other colors, but the Tiramisu, I wanted like a nice nude. I feel like their lip glosses are, after Kiko, I love their lip glosses. They're so nice as well. You can use any other lip gloss, just start with the concealer. That juicy dripping lips. Why not? Why not? Anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair now and I will be back, guys. So here we have the finished look, guys. I went and put my African on. I've got a daggett on. There is a daggett up to here. Chubutok, take it butok. So yeah, so this is a very simple look, guys. You guys can recreate this on the day of Eid.